everybody. We're going to be unboxing a Yushin cube and a Yushin 5x5. This is 4x4, this is 5x5. Oh yeah, and I already unboxed the Gen 5 timer, but we're going to be reviewing it. Let's get on. So, let's unbox the 4x4. Oh, that was easy. Oh, there's instructions. I don't know what it's called because I can't read this, but... Oh, instructions. Pretty good. Yeah, it's good. But this is the one that I want to get into. Oh, I used discount code CubeHead, and look what I got. CubeHead sticker. No, this is actually cool. No way. That's a sticker. Oh, it is a sticker. Okay, this is cool. Yo. This is like a sticker. That's cool. Now I want to unbox this 5x5. Ooh, cube stand. I'll add that to my collection. This one's big. That's for 5x5. Wow. That's the size of my hand. I don't want to do wrist turns, but wow. I want to see if the parity algorithm would work on a 5x5. Could it? Maybe. This does work. Yo! I just flipped 2 edges. That's so cool. It's actually really cool. It's actually a decent 5x5. I don't usually practice 5x5 because I don't have one. But now this wants me to start practicing 5x5. Overall, these are really good cubes. I'm surprised how cheap these were and good. On to the thing. Gen 5 timer. Oh yeah, did you know the speed stack timer are actually from cup stacking? Look, even on the logo, there's like cups. Let's turn it on. Ooh, 4-pad. Yeah, this is a new design with a, there's like 2 things, thumb pads. And I'm gonna go 2x2. I'm not good at 2x2. Okay. Wow. Oh yeah, I barely even practiced 2x2. 11 seconds. It's backwards for you. Okay. Ooh, they added a new design. You have to hold down this reset. Because I heard this. When you slam down on the timer, your finger might hit this. So like when you go like that, this resets the time. It's happened I've seen videos of this. So yeah. How to get it to the 2-pad, just these two. You have to hold down the release button for the reset button for 5 seconds or 7, I don't know. Oh, I got it. Yo, I didn't even realize this was on it, and it looks even better now. Is it one on here? Okay. I'm now gonna do a pyramid solve on my Yushin Yushins. Oh yeah, I'm sorry to spoil this, but I'm gonna do a 7 cubes unboxing soon that I ordered. Sorry for spoiling. Okay, I barely even practice pyramids, but I'm trying. I'm gonna try. Oh, I didn't even inspect. I didn't even inspect. Oh. No inspection. Oh. Oh, wrong side. I did the algorithm on the wrong side. 26 seconds. I'm sad. Oh. Wow. This is big in my hands. I'm going to do a parity algorithm on 4x4 because I don't think I put this much attention. Okay. I'm just going to reverse that. So I know I did the parity algorithm. Okay. Okay, I want to try something else. I want to try another parody. This is the second parody. Actually, is pretty decent. I want to checkerboard the 5x5. Oh, what am I doing? No, I screwed up the parody algorithm. I'm going to solve it. I'm actually going to do a time lapse there. I want to do a checkerboard pattern on this. This is going to look so cool. Yeah. Guys, in your heads, just, is there a parody on a 5x5? I don't know. Checkerboarded. This looks sick. Yeah. Where's a sticker? Where'd the sticker go? Here. Does it fit on a 2x2? It does. I think it goes on 3x3. Where's my 3x3? It's back here. Oh, it's 4 3x3. Yo, I'm gonna take off this Moji sticker. I'm gonna add it. But where should I put the Moji sticker? This is the problem with having a sticker. Where are you gonna put the other sticker? If you add a sticker. I'm not gonna overlap them. It's just hard to stick off the sticker. No. When I put this on, yo, that's what it says. So Yushin, great products, turning pretty good. This was all bought from thecubicle.com. I'm not sponsored. It'd be funny if I was, cause like, I'm always switching like websites. Yeah. I'm gonna do a time lapse for me solving this. I actually solved this before on this timer. I just put it back in the box. Guess what? I got 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So, onto the time lapse. I forgot to scramble it. Okay. Does this look scrambled? Just by any chance? I think yes. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a time lapse of me solving a 5x5 too. I love like solving. Okay, now onto the time lapse. So yeah, I'm gonna be filming the time thing too. Onto the time lapse. Guys, look at this time. So I got for 4x4. Now it's gone to the 5x5 time lapse. Let's go. We're gonna scramble it. Oh, why am I doing this? This is such a big cube. Well, not like that big, but it's big. I have to say. Guys, I'm going to be solving this. I've solved it like 4 times in my life. A 5x5. But I think it might probably be easier, a 5x5, because it's like in my hands. Okay, let's get into the time lapse. I cannot solve this. I'm trying to go on the edges and I'll do like the parity algorithm to swap these, but I can't. I'm just gonna look at a tutorial. I'm gonna like bring it back when it's gonna be solved. Literally, I swear. So like, I was gonna watch a tutorial. Right when I did that, my mom said we had to leave. Yeah, when he came back, I started doing it, and I figured out how to do the edges, and I solved it. Like, what a coincidence. I did it by myself. But these 2 Yushin cubes and the Gen 4 timer, 5, are really honestly good. The Yushin makes like small cubes. Like the 4x4 was in this small box, but then the 5x5 was in this big box. I'm like, wow, the 5x5 must be big. But no, it's not. It's small. Not the size of my head. Oh yeah, I put that cube head sticker on. And wow, it looks better. And I actually got a PB for 4x4, 3 minutes and 20 seconds. And it even came with one of these. Look at this. It's kind of on the stand. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video. I'll see you wait, no. I'm doing an unboxing soon. We ordered 7 cubes from the cubicle.com. Today we just got these in the mail. Like the time period between that order and that order was really similar. So it's like 2 or 3, 4 to 5 days, and they're gonna be here. So we're gonna have a massive unboxing. It's gonna be my biggest unboxing yet. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Bye.